Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today I want to talk about Beeper again. It's been a little while since I've done a Beeper update. Beeper Mini did once again stop working for me, but Beeper Cloud is still working on iMessage, and I'm not really having any issues with it. I still do use it when I'm using my OnePlus Open or my Galaxy Z Flip 5. Now, I came across this post on Reddit today. Somebody talking about using Beeper and getting their iMessage banned. They had a chat here with Apple support, and Apple support said that their number was reported for spam. If you get a message from somebody that's not in your contacts or an unknown number, you have that report spam option on there for iMessage and SMS. And they said that their number had been reported for spam using that option, and that their number was temporarily banned from iMessage, and that if it continued to happen, I guess it could get permanently blocked. So I'm not exactly too sure if this was related to Beeper. The person who made this post obviously thought it was, or knows it is, but again, I'm not too sure on that. There's really no proof in this post. I don't know what kind of setup they have for running Beeper, if they're using Beeper Cloud or Beeper Mini. The only way I see this really happening is if maybe you're sharing a registration code with a bunch of other people, and another number using that registration code gets reported as spam. Maybe it will tie back to your registration code that originated from that. Again, this is all speculation. I'm not exactly entirely sure how all that works, how the registration code connects to that. From my understanding, the registration code does not connect to your Apple ID. It is more so connected to just generated by your Mac to show the server that a Mac is available for iMessage registration. So I really don't think that could get tied back to you specifically. I just don't think that's the way it works. So maybe this number was in fact being reported as spam, and it has absolutely nothing to do with Beeper. Like I said, I've been using Beeper for months now, and I have not had any issues with iMessage. The only issues I've had were when Beeper was killed for everybody from Apple blocking it and stuff like that. But as far as my iMessage working on my iPhone, I've never had any issues after using Beeper or anything like that. So just something to think about, but I really don't think this was related to Beeper. But I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update now that they have that new registration method using the registration code and stuff like that on your Mac or an old iPhone. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.